You can search for items in BiblioCommons by using the search box at the top of your screen. The default search is by keyword, but if you click the drop-down arrow next to keyword, there are more options to choose from, like title or author. You can also save your searches. For example, if you frequently look for new mystery books, you could save this search. Type mystery into the search box at the top and hit enter. Now go to the Filter Your Results options on the left-hand side of the screen. Check the box next to Book. Then we'll scroll down to the titles I can borrow and take home. And then for audience, we'll select adults. Now you have a list of new mystery books for adults. Click on the Save Search option near the upper right to save this search. And then we'll click Save it again to confirm. You can view your saved searches by clicking Saved Searches beneath the search box, or you can do this by going to your dashboard and then click on View My Saved Searches. We also have a few quick searches built in. In the blue bar at the top, click Help Me Find. Clicking one of these options, like large print books, gives you a list of all large print books and shows you the most recent one first. If you have any questions about accessing the catalog or your BiblioCommons account, please let us know. You can send us an email by clicking Contact in the web page footer, or submit feedback. You can also call your local library or 704-416-0101 for help. In addition, we offer help sessions, and library staff can walk you through how everything works and help you set up your custom searches. We hope you enjoy the new catalog and access to your account through BiblioCommons.